Powwow Long Beach 2016 was our second shot at doing a small powwow in the city of Long Beach in Southern California. We're trying to recreate some of the magic that happens in the main powwow during Powwow Hawaii every year. So we're trying to import the Aloha vibes and bring in some great artists, work with some local talent, and execute a bunch of murals around the city during 1 week.
This is my first mural in the States. It's a flow, it's a movement of manta rays, because they have the poetry and they have the movement that I like.
I just did a mural at the Long Beach Museum of Art. Otherwise, it was just a little one in my house, and I was very shocked that they wanted me out here. I was so intimidated at first and so nervous. I'm not familiar with the scene or the culture, and everybody's been really welcoming. I'm having a blast. I hope I get to do this again one day.
When you put letters together, they become sentences. It's all based on structure. Really, what this does is it obliterates the structure. It's basically free-flowing. Some people, when they're doing art, like, what's my next line? What am I going to do? I have to fill this in. This, they have a certain mode of operation. But mine is I have to kind of free my mind in order to do my work.
My style is kind of a mix of both traditional portrait figures and street art, as well as, interacting with the environment. This piece especially is just the scale of it is massive, so it's going to be the biggest piece I've done on water. It's really cool. It's the first time I've been able to kind of do a legal wall that I can have so much time with.
When I was doing a sketch for this, I was trying to capture my favorite part of Andrew's work, Edwin's work, and what I'm currently interested in doing. So for Andrew, he's such a great figurative painter, so I wanted him to paint some kind of a character. With Edwin Ushiro, I really love how he paints jungles, like tropical trees, pretty much all the plant life. Then for myself, I've been doing these a simple, playful line drawing. So I was trying to combine those 3 different elements together to make up one single image.